So very good evening friends. Let's quickly take a look at three important questions from your compliance audit and due diligence. It will be very handy for you, so do pay full attention. First one, briefly elaborate the role of company secretary as an internal auditor. The shortcut is SPEED, SPEED. So S for safely keeping of records of meetings held in the company. P is for prepare cost structures and representing efficiency indicators of the business. E is for ensure proper following of accounting standards, ensure audit of company's financial statements, and ensure management of listen focus carefully. This is very important point. Ensure management of complaints timely and properly and true representation of management, funding, and financial risk. Lastly, D is for design audit methodologies and reporting criteria. So, a slightly trickier question which I made it very easy for you. Now let's recall once again. The shortcut is SPEED, S for safely keeping, B is for preparing cost structures, and E is for ensure proper management, audit of a company, and management of complaints timeline properly, true representation of management, funding. D is for design audit methodologies, reporting criteria. So moving on to the next question, briefly elaborate the stepwise approach followed in internal audit process. The shortcut is FRIED, FRIED. F is for follow on reporting reported findings, and R is for report issues and identify. I is for identifying the control procedures. E is for establish and communicate the scope and objectives. D is for describe the risk, develop an understanding of the business area under review. You need to write this in the sequential order, but in case if you forget, you can use the shortcuts FRIED, so it will be very handy for you. I repeat, FRIED. So moving on to the last question, what do you understand by a banking due diligence, or what are the various objectives of conducting bank due diligence? First is verifications of details of the directors or promoters and statutory and procedural compliances by the company, and knowing the defaulting status of the directors. Lastly, examining the existing or previous charges created by the company in respect of loans and their satisfaction. So 4 straightforward points. There is nothing to write on your own, so all you can do is listen to it carefully and reproduce. So the verification, statutory and procedural compliances, 2 directors related points, and examining the existing or previous charges created by the company. Within 3 minutes we were able to go through and revise this 3 important questions. So make full use of it. Watch it 4 to 5 times so that you will never forget it. There is no time to keep coming back to those topics. Instead, you can invest this time on CRBA or any other subjects. So all the best, keep going, best wishes.